everyone, welcome back to my channel The Creative Galaxy. This is Vedastati and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make your own DIY mandala bookmarks. So without any further ado, let's get started. To make this mandala bookmark, you will require some sheets of paper. So this is the type of paper which we used to normally get with the short box. So I'm using the piece of the cardboard paper and make some rectangle boxes. So its length is 15 cm and its breadth is 4 cm. Cut these pieces. So its length and size of your bookmark depend upon you how big you want your bookmark to be. Okay, now I am using a rectangular sheet which we had cut earlier, and now I am using a pencil to make a rough sketch of a mandala design. So if you're good at drawing, you can completely skip this step and directly use a pen to do this. You can be creative and make designs of your own. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Similarly, I have made another one. Now comes the fun part, to trace the mandala design. So you can use Micron, or you can use CD DVD marker, you can use gel pen, you can use dot pen, or even you can use sketch pen. So I am using this Micron to trace the mandala design. Use the smaller nib Micron to trace the detailed part. Be creative and fill wherever you want. So here I am using this brush Micron paint to fill the larger areas. You can even paint it using acrylic colors or poster colors. Use the eraser to remove the pencil marks. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Okay, now let's move ahead with our second mandala bookmark. Its steps are similar only. Similarly, I had made a rough sketch of a mandala design, and then I'm using this Micron to trace it. Use a smaller nib Micron to fill its detailed parts. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Similarly, I had made another one. So you can see in one of the mandala bookmarks I have added a pom-pom. So this is how it looks like. You can make it or leave it simple. To make the pom-pom, we will require some yarns. So if you are making a bookmark colorful, then use some colorful yarn. Take the yarn just like so and then wrap it around your fingers. Take another piece of yarn and then just tie it in the middle. Make sure you tie it tightly. Then cut it just like so. So this is how it looks like. Trim the excess. Use another piece of yarn and then just tie it to the pom-pom. Here I am using a pearl. You can use this or you can completely skip this step. Use a puncher to make a hole in your bookmark to attach the pom-pom. So if you are making it, then punch a hole, and if you are not making it, then you can skip the step. Tie a pom-pom to your bookmark. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Absolutely loved how they all turned out. I hope you like this video. Do not forget to leave your suggestion and comments in the comment section below. And yeah, that's for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.